Welcome back to Rickey Does It, where today I'll be making Deadpool out of construction paper. So let's start with his head, which is basically the same shape and color as our friend Spider-Man, though I think I'm going to give him a bit of a stronger jawline. And now his torso, I'm going to do it in black first, and then in red for the more armor-like shapes. And I'm going to do the old fold in half and cut for symmetry trick. Now let's get that chunky black choker. So let's get his arms. And these I'm going to do in red first, then add the black accents. Now if you haven't seen my How to Make Spider-Man video, you should definitely check it out. But in it, I consider making him your super friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Well, I think that's what I'm going to do with Deadpool today. Now I'm just going to get his legs out in one big chunk, which is about the exact opposite of how I did Spider-Man. Now his belt. And let me get the black accents for his hips. Now his boots. Now if you're enjoying this video, why not share it with your friends and loved ones? That would really help me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe for all future videos. And who knows, maybe one of them will be something you've suggested. Well, now that cuffs and collar match, let's get him some knee pads. Like always, it's hardest to get reference shots for characters' legs, so I'm just going to do what feels right here. Now let's deal with his belt pockets and thigh choker? I guess. Actually, let me get his belt buckle first. And now we can deal with those pockets. So let's get to work on his mask. And it does take a bit of back and forth to get a shape I'm happy with. And now we draw. I was hoping I'd have some kind of smoother segue here, but hey, if you haven't seen my How to Make Doctor Strange video, you should totally check it out. I loved his first solo film and was happy to see him play such a significant role in Infinity War. Now his eyes, I'm going to cut out of paper. And let me trim his dome down just a bit. And you know, he really doesn't look complete without his strap and swords, so let me take care of that. I'm going to add another layer so they stand up nice and straight. Now I'm going to use my ruler to make sure handle and sheath are lined up properly, as well as making sure both are the same length. And now we color. I remember when I was little and me and my friend Melissa would call each other on the phone and watch Deadpool together. We'd get out our tapes, plug them in the VCR, and hit play at the same time. It wasn't a perfect system, but it worked in a pinch. And you can just picture a couple of dumb 80s kids on their landlines screaming, "Time to make the chimmy chungas," and "You big chrome blur" into the receiver, and parents and siblings walking into the room like, "What are you doing?" Good times. So let's hit everything up with some white highlight. And now we ink. And I wish I could tell you there was some kind of technique or even rhyme or reason for switching back and forth between pens, but it really is just whatever feels right for each section. So let's put the finishing touches on his belt. And these white pens really are a game changer. And there he is, our Deadpool. Be sure and check out my playlist where I show you how to make all these Marvel characters. And what the hey, why not make it a whole Disney dudes party? So if there's anyone else you'd like to see me make, let me know in the comments, and yeah, thanks for watching! If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out some of my other videos, and make sure you subscribe for all future videos. And why not follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Rickey Does It. That's Rickey Does It. See you soon!